It is very nice and feeling so good to see you again. Myself, Ms. Himali. Today I am here for our next session, session number 2. In our last session, we did maths pre-number concept big and small. So, let's have a quick recap of that. In our last session, I have explained you that whenever we identify any object on the basis of its size and we get two different sizes, and the two different sizes are big and small. Now we are going to do a small activity related to the concept with some objects. So kids, now we are going to do our activity related to the concept. Here we are having some objects: hair clips, scissors, paintbrushes and bottles. Now on the one side we are having big tray and the other side we are having small tray. Now we are going to pick one object and going to place in the related tray. So now I am having the bottle. As you can see, this bottle is big in size. So now we are going to put this in the big tray. Now we are having another bottle. This is small in size. Now we are going to place this in small size tray. Here we are having a paintbrush. As you can see, the paintbrush is big in size. So we are going to put this in big side tray. The other brush is small in size. So we are going to put this in small side tray. Now you tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a scissor. Now tell me, this is big or small? Yes, this is small in size. So now we are going to place this in small side tray. Now we are having another scissor. This scissor is big in size. So we are going to put this in big side tray. Now we are having two hair clips. You tell me, which hair clip is big in size? Yes, the brown one is big in size. So we are going to put this in big side tray. And the yellow one is small in size. So we are going to put this in small side tray. Kids, here is our worksheet. Now we are going to need your parents' help to do this worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to color the smallest picture in the row. Now ask your mom to draw some different sizes, shapes on the paper, and you can select the smallest picture and have to color it. Hope kids you enjoyed the activity, understood the worksheet and liked the video. Now we are going to meet in our next session with the solution of the given worksheet. Till that, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.